Guys, yung ating beef ay malambot na. Ilagyan na natin yung ating green beans. Green beans. Ayan, green beans. Kasi matigas yan eh. At saka yung ating corns. Ito yung ating corns. So, matigas yan para maluto. Habang pinapalambot natin yung ating beef. Malambot na siya. Kaya lang gusto ko yung malambot talaga. Ayan. So, by the time na masyado na siyang malambot, yung ating gulay ay malambot na rin. Diba? Alas natin ilagay yung ating, yan, ating cabbage at saka baby bok choy. Okay.
Go! Hey everyone!
Lagyan na natin yung ating cabbage.
You know what? I think it is smaller.
Yeah.
Don't you think so?
Yeah.
I'm used to be able to fill two.
Why does Harry get more than me?
Time is ticking down on my quiz. Okay, which one do you want?
Bigger one.
You can choose on the big one.
You know, this actually 2 hours later.
Minamihan ko ng gulay kasi masarap ang
Oh, dude, you're missing the oil
gulay
machine.
sa
It's
sabaw.
going on right now. It's already gone on for an hour.
It works. It wants 2 on sharks last I saw.
Yeah. We're gonna get a plate.
Ayan, lagay din natin yung ating
Jack Walman's pretty good.
dito.
Right? Shane Gostis fair's pretty good. Right? Shane Gostis fair's pretty good, right?
Maluluto na lang siya sa ating excuse me, sa kanyang init, I mean. Yung sneezes. Oh boy. Yan, ang daming gulay. Gusto ko kasi ng madaming gulay.
I watch a movie.
Watch a movie? Ayan. Hugasan natin yung lambat. Masarap kasi ang madaming gulay. Sustansya. Para hindi naman siya masyadong sibo. Ayan. Maluluto na lang yan. Takpan natin. Ayan, ayan. Mababa na lang siya. Mag-shrink. Okay guys. Luto na yung ating bulalo. Ayan. Ito na yung ating beef. Ang lambot-lambot niya, oh. Ang tabunan ng ating gulay kasi excuse me. Kasi ang daming gulay na nilagay. Ayan. There's a lot of them. Sarap. Kasi ang daming gulay. Ayan. Kain na tayo, guys. Time to eat. Ayan na yung ating bulalo. Masarap para sa malamig na panahon. Stormy night. Kasi nag-snow sa labas. Ayan, sarap siya. Sa malamig na panahon. Oh.
Did you grow on the line, Mark?